in the Quran, we have surahs that are Makki and some surahs that are Madani. Okay, and this is I'm going to keep this video very short, hopefully. But basically, what do we mean by Makki and what do we mean by Madani? In a simple sentence, in one simple sentence, the Meccan surahs, the surahs that are Makki, classed as Makki, Meccan surahs, are those that were revealed before Hijrah. So the Prophet ﷺ migrated. Hijrah means migration. The Prophet ﷺ migrated from Mecca to Medina. The Makki surahs are those that were revealed before Hijrah, and the Madani surahs are those that were revealed after Hijrah. It's a very straightforward concept. However, one then may have the question, what about a surah, for example, that was, because some surahs, they weren't revealed in Mecca or Medina. So just keep that in mind. It's not about where the Prophet ﷺ was at that time. It's not about a location, it's more about time, zaman. So before Hijrah and after Hijrah, not Mecca, the Prophet ﷺ was in Mecca physically or in Medina physically. Why? Because some surah were revealed in Tabuk, for example, or in other areas outside of Medina or Mecca, Badr, Taif, these kind of areas. So how do we class them? It's not about place, it's about time. Bottom line again is, if the surah was revealed after Hijrah, it's a Madani surah. Even the surah or the verses that were revealed in Mecca, when the Prophet ﷺ returned back to Mecca at one point, that's still classed as a Madani surah. So I hope you found that interesting. It's about before Hijrah, after Hijrah. It's not about the location, because some surahs were revealed in locations other than Mecca, Medina, and some surahs that are still Madani were revealed in Mecca, for example. But it was after Hijrah, so therefore it's a Madani surah. I hope that makes sense. I've forgotten the numbers in terms of the numbers, but there's more in Mecca than Medina. More surah were revealed in Mecca rather than Medina. And a few things that differentiate the two would be around that the verses that were revealed in Mecca were shorter and the verses that were revealed in Medina were longer. Why? Because shorter is more about aqidah, beliefs, oneness in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, the shortness gives it the abruptness and, the seriousness. And then after Islam started to spread and the rest of it, the laws, the ahkam and the rest of it came out. And, for rulings and the rest of it, you need to have more explanation, therefore longer verses. I hope you learned something there. نسأل الله القبول والإخلاص. السلام عليكم.